Unlock the door to a perfect blend of study and serenity at View Place Student Accommodation Exeter. Located in the charming residential area of Glenthorne Rd, View Place features a range of ensuite, non-ensuite, and studio apartments. Choose a studio for complete privacy or opt for the ensuite or non-ensuite with shared facilities. The choice is yours. No matter what you go for, all the rooms here come fully furnished with double bed, desk chair, and ample storage space. Open your bedroom door and you're welcomed with a range of state-of-the-art social spaces, including study room for focused sessions, a dining room for shared meals, a gym for fitness enthusiasts, and laundry services for your convenience. Worried about the juggle between work and life? Fear not. View Place is just a stroll away from elite institutions like the University of Exeter and Exeter College. For weekend gateways, you will find a range of things to do, from thrilling escape rooms to tranquil walks around the Royal Albert Memorial Museum and the coolest cafes like Cafe Nero. Exeter offers something for everyone. Additionally, the property's strategic locations also provide many commute options, like the nearest bus stop, Lower Argyll Road, and train station St. David's train station is a close walk from the property. As the sun sets, find your sanctuary at View Place Exeter. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.